Hello there, friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's the second of that month, so that means it's time for SheetLoad of Cards. If you're new to my channel or new to SheetLoad, it is a free printable that Call Me Crafty Al puts out each month just for being a subscriber of her channel. On this SheetLoad, she'll give you the supplies needed, how many cards it creates, the dimensions if you want to make just one card, a sketch. This month is a special 6x6 edition, and it's inspired by Anya Lanchenko. Sorry if I'm not saying the name correct. And there's all that information there. She gives you alternatives on how to use it, and then a cutting guide. In the description box below, I will have everything linked as to how you can visit Call Me Crafty Al's video, be a subscriber, download this for yourself. And also, this is a hashtag driven hop now, so you can see the other fabulous creations from the other collab team members, and that is in my title or in the description box. You just click on that hashtag and that brings up everybody on the collaboration team's videos. If you yourself want to create, you can use these hashtags that are at the top here, also in the description box, and that'll let us find you on YouTube or Instagram. On to what I used to create this month's SheetLoad. I used my handy dandy Banners Pick-a-Punch. I sure do love that punch. I used Stampin' Up! Poppy Parade ink and cardstock, along with Daffodil Delight. I used the sentiment from this retired Hanging Garden Stampin' Up! Stamp set. And I used this gorgeous paper that I was gifted from Teresa of Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I just love this paper. I think it is so, so pretty. I also used a die from Whimsy Stamps. Not sure if it's available or not. If it is, I will link it in the description box below. And I know, I hope you're sitting down. I did not color at all on my cards this month. That's really, really strange for me. Anyways, on to my cards. I just love how they turned out. Each one is there's no two that are the same, just by the way that they pattern paper worked out. But it's sending lots of love. Have some little rhinestones down there. And I had so much fun with these this month. I think they turned out so pretty. And those colors are just so nice. Really, really liked it. And again, I say it every month, but it's a sketch a SheetLoad that I really liked and I saw lots of possibilities with. One of these days, I hope that I have the creativity and the time. Well, I have lots of time to sit down and make lots more of these SheetLoads. They're all such wonderful sketches. I just laugh every time I say that, because if you had met me probably 3 to 5 years ago and before that, I was like, I don't want to make a set of cards. No way. And now I'm kind of addicted. I love making these sets of cards. I hope that you will click on that hashtag, hop around, see what everyone else has created. And if you create some, we'd love to see them. Again, use those hashtags up here so that we can find your creations. That's all I've got for you today. Have a wonderful day. And until my next video, stay crafty.